Hello Smith families. For those of you who have not formally met me before, my name is Miss Amaya. I quickly just wanted to get on here to tell you that I hope you all are safe and staying healthy. Please tell your students that we miss them so very much and we hope to see them again soon. I will have my email in the description box if you have any questions about this tutorial, and for my parents who have me on Class Dojo, please do not hesitate to send me a message on there as well. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is on your device, you're going to log into Clever. And some of you are familiar with this already, but if you don't, you just type in Clever, Aldine Clever login, and it should take you to a screen that looks like this. Click on the first link and then use your Clever badge. It should take you to their Clever homepage. For the purposes of this video, I used a student's Clever badge so that I can see what you are all able to see. What you're going to do now is just scroll down till you see the Schoology icon. It is a white S with a blue circle, and then it's going to take you to a screen that looks just like this. And this is where it becomes really important that you pay attention to this particular picture that I took off the Aldine website. So your student's email is going to be their first initial, last name initial, lunch ID number at aldine-isd.org. Their password is going to be their initials and their birthday, and that includes double-digit month, double-digit date, and then the four-digit year. So here the student is, his initials are AA. I typed in his lunch ID number at aldine-isd.org. Then it's going to take me to the password screen. This is where I typed in both of his initials again, his complete birthday, and then the number key symbol. Then after this, it's going to ask you if you want to save your password. Of course, if this is your device, please save it so that you don't have to keep repeating the process, but this video will be available for you to see again, just in case anything happens. Then it's going to take you to their home page, their Schoology, and you're already in at this point. For the purposes of this video, again, I just clicked on Science because I wanted you to see the resources that are available for you on the Science page, but you're able to check out all of the other classes for your student. For this week, I did add a few videos that I would like for your student to watch, and then there is an assignment with the little pencil icon on it. But I will just let you see a preview of the little videos that I added for them. We are going to be learning about plants this week, so I just added a few videos about plants that I would like for them to see at home. Then there's another video that I will show you. For this week, I did add an assignment, but as I mentioned on the little description, you do not have to do this. It's just if your student did try the color changing celery experiment, which was from the first video, please send me a picture and I'll show you how to send me that picture. So as the description says, please do not feel like you have to do this. This is just if they do try it at home, you can send me a picture. Right next to this description, it says submit assignment. You would click on the submit assignment icon. Then it should look like this. Right on the faded gray symbols, the first one says take a photo or video and then photo library. So if you've taken a picture already, you could click that and then choose from there. Or if you just want to take a video or photo right on your device at that moment, then you can do that as well. And then after that, you would just click submit. And this is where you will submit assignments in the future, or anything that we ask, in particular moving on with Schoology, then that's how you will do it. And at this point, that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions, I will leave my email in the description box, and for parents that have me on Class Dojo, please send me a message on there as well. Please continue to stay safe, and also do not forget to check the Aldine website for more updates and news, and use the resources that they have available for you there. Thank you so much, and hopefully we will see you soon.